All right, guys. So right now there is a dropshipping product that's quietly doing over 200K a month. It's not sexy, it's not trending, but it solves a real painful problem for millions of people. And the funnel behind it is so simple and so emotional. It might be one of the best targeted funnels I've seen. All right. So watch this video to find out what that product is. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Ali. Welcome to another video. Welcome to Daily E-commerce. Here's where we talk about e-commerce and dropshipping every single day. So my channel just crossed 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for every single person that is subscribed. I'm doing a little bit of a giveaway. I'm going to give away $50 to one person that comments down below. Plus, I'm going to give you the ad mentoring that goes with it. So I will help you spend that $50 so that you get the best ROI. All right. Just comment down below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for a chance to win. All right. So let's get back into this video. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the store works. We're going to cover the products, the ads, the landing page, the margins. And more importantly, we're going to cover how you can launch this business today without writing a single code of copy or a single line of copy, without touching a single page builder. And just in one click, you can download the store and go live. Right? We're going to be covering that towards the end of the video. So before we get into everything, the funnels, the strategy, all of this stuff, I want to show you why this product is crushing it. All right. It's not just any normal, plain, mundane product, right? This product is associated with a problem that's affecting millions of people. You're going to be serving a huge niche, which means that there's a huge potential for you to make more money online. All right. So this is a problem that very few people actually talk about. It's more of like a sleeper epidemic. All right. So the customers in this niche, right? There's millions of them out there, and they have like severe pain in their foot, right? To the point where getting out of bed is a problem, right? Their feet are swollen, they're sore, they're stiff. And when they wear their regular shoes, their pain gets really bad. So we're talking about people with neuropathy, plantar fasciitis, diabetes, and people recovering from like knee surgeries, ankle surgeries, foot trauma, and their feet, they're not just tired, they're like inflamed, they're burning, and every step like feels like almost like a punishment, right? These are the people that you're going to be selling this product to. So again, before I reveal the product, like imagine you're in so much pain that your options are the following: the very stiff leather orthopedic shoe that belongs in a nursing home, or like cheap slippers, right? That sort of provide some relief, but they collapse under your body's weight. So the product, now you may have guessed, is shoes, but you're not just selling shoes. And this is important for me to say because this is all fit into your ads and stuff. You're selling independence, you're selling confidence, you're selling the ability to walk into your mailbox without pain, to move through your home without like holding onto furniture or balance, to feel relief without needing this product, it's something that you can put on without any help, right? So what is this product? And this product is proven it's doing cold, hard numbers, absolutely crushing it, right? So at this point, I've done a nice enough intro for you guys. So I want to go ahead and show the product that's doing over $206,000 a month without being flashy, trendy, or viral. It does it because it works. And it does it because it serves people that are desperate for a solution, all right? So what is the product that's quietly doing $206,000 a month? It's called the O-Bend Recovery Slip-On Shoe. In the last 30 days alone, it's done $206,000 in revenue from a single store selling one product. This is a one product funnel, and it's generated over 200 grand in sales. So why is it working? It's working because obviously it's solving a problem that millions of people have, and they're actively searching for a solution. And it does it better than other shoes in the same category, right? It's soft, it's stretchy, there's no laces, you just slip on. It's machine washable. It's built for swollen post-surgery sensitive feet. It looks good enough that people can wear it in the house or in public, and people aren't just buying one pair. When I was doing some research, they're buying 2, 3, 5, and that obviously increases average cart value. They're buying one for themselves, one for their parents, another one in a different color. And this product, it shows so many verified reviews. They're running their ads globally in the US, France, Malaysia, so it doesn't matter what country you target, you can get sales from this. And they're obviously targeting people that are actively in pain. But here's what makes this really work. It's not just the product, it's actually the funnel they're using that's doing all of the heavy lifting for them. All right. So in most dropshipping videos, I just hear people talking about the product, right? Hey, sell this winning product and you're going to make sales. But unfortunately, if you don't sell the product right, you're not going to make sales. All right. So you could have the best product in the world, but if your landing page or your product page sucks, nobody's really going to buy from you. You're not going to have the credibility or the authority or the, just the right outlook where people will go ahead and buy. So this funnel, it doesn't try to be fancy, right? It doesn't bombard you with like 18 colors. If you've ever been on a shoe funnel, the first thing, or the shoe product page, the first thing you see is 18 colors of the different shoes, all these sizes, countdown timers, flashy sliders, all this stuff. And that actually puts people in indecision mode because they're working out all of these different things versus first buying into the promise of the product. You have to get them to buy into the promise, right? So this page, it's clean, it's simple, it's optimized for the exact person who wants it the most. And it's divided into two simple steps, right? The first step is this article style landing page, all right? There's a big promise over here, which is the most comfortable foot relief ever. And it talks to a real pain, right? Swelling, neuropathy, arthritis. And another thing in here is all of the trust signals, the testimonials, the reviews, lifestyle shots, social proof, and UGC that doesn't feel scripted, right? And then you go into the product page, all right? The product page is very simple, clean layout, easy checkout. There isn't a lot of confusion. And this is why it's converting, not because of some secret Shopify store like app or like a building block or something like that, right? It's converting because it's built from empathy. It's built to talk to a certain person. So towards the end of the video, I'll show you how you can one-click download all of this into your account. But before that, I want to talk about what happens if you try and build this yourself, okay? So let's say you now know the product, it's working well, you understand the problem, you understand that it's a winning product. So now you've started designing it probably using Shopify, which most people will use, right? You're responsible for writing copy, designing the layout, embedding the reviews, setting up the variants, the policies, the timers, worried about page speed. And all of this, guys, will add to your time, right? You're going to be spending a lot of time doing all of this versus the smart thing to do is when you find a winning product, you launch it, right? You get it sales. Like this product, it looks like it's on an upward trend, right? So while you're doing all of this, this is the time you should be spending launching and making money, right? And most people, when they go into build mode, they also go into indecision mode. Should I use this image? How closely should I copy the product? What image should sit here? What what copy should sit here? What should I say this versus this? Should I show this versus this? And this takes some people months to do, and people that even do it fast, they don't do it right. They don't have the necessary experience in copywriting, graphic design to be able to do it, right? So what I've done with my own dropshipping platform, ShopFunnels, is I've already gone ahead and created this. I've created the product page. I've created the article style page, the first page that they see. And I've been doing this for 10 years. I've launched thousands of funnels. I've hit 7 figures in my online business and above it. And I've helped other people hit those numbers as well. So I've already gone ahead and recreated it. Now I have a special formula that I do. And what I do is I recreate the page exactly. I do it in a way where I have, obviously I'm using AI tools as well, but I try not to change the success, the secret success sauce, right? So whenever I'm rewriting copy, as you guys can see, I'm writing it very similar to the original. Even when I'm recreating the images, I'm recreating them very similar to the original, but I've changed enough where no one can accuse us for stealing, right? Because that's wrong. But modeling is what you want to do, right? You don't want to waste time figuring out stuff somebody else has already figured out. All you want to do is start running ads and start making sales. You want to jump to the end of the finish line almost and start your race from there versus people that are starting from the start, right? So how do you launch this 200K per month business inside of ShopFunnels? The first thing is you go ahead, sign up to ShopFunnels, and inside of your account, you go ahead, add the funnel, search for the funnel that you want, and then you go ahead and download, and it's zapped into your account, right? The entire thing is built. Now, all you have to do is go add your domain name, set your prices, and that's pretty much it. Go ahead and just launch it. And you connect your payment processor. There's only a handful of few steps that you have to do, and you can go ahead and just launch it, right? And obviously, every single person, if ShopFunnels is new to you, it is a Shopify alternative. It connects to Shopify as well if you want Shopify to do your order management. And whoever joins ShopFunnels, you get a bunch of free bonuses as well as a free course that allows you to watch step by step how to do it. If you've never used it, it'll be super easy for you to do, right? So if I were starting from scratch today, this is the type of product I would pick, right? It solves a real pain. It has a real audience. It has strong margins. And you're not just selling gadgets and stuff that doesn't work. You're selling the solution to an actual problem, right? And you want this type of certainty when you're starting a new business. You want to make sure that the business that you're going into will generate sales. And I feel like this product gives you exactly that. So the way that I see it, you really have two options. You can build it from scratch, step by step, go to Shopify, sign up for an account, create your backend store, then get page Gemfly or whatever, then build a page there, then connect the Pagefly to the store in XYZ. Or you go to ShopFunnels, one click download it, and then all you start to do is run traffic. And this is what hundreds of students have done. This is just, I'm going to show you some stuff on our group. This is what people have done inside of the group as well. And they've gone ahead and they've launched not just this funnel, but funnels just to be very similar to this. All right. So guys, I think this is a pretty in-depth view of the product, why it's working and why I think you should launch it. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give me a comment down below anything else you want to learn. Follow this page for daily winning products. And that's it. And comment down below for a chance to win. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. Catch you guys next one. Peace.